chubb 12. Hey guys, welcome back to another smoke detector test. Today I'm gonna test my smoke alarm, so let me get started with this one. Hold on, let me get the smoke test. Where's the smoke tester? Oh my god, I can't find it. Hold on guys, I tried to find my smoke tester. This light. Where's the smoke tester? Where? Oh, there it is. Let's get started, guys. With this one. There you go. Let's test with the button. There you go. Make sure the sensors work. Make sure there's not having liquid on top. There you go. Let's continue with the next one. This was hard one to activate. It's a take long. Come on. There you go.
Fire.
There you go. It's working fine. Here another one. Another smoky. There you go. Here's another one. This one's so easy. Perfect. There you go. There's another one right here that I don't test. Oh, there's no smoke detector right here. Can you see that one? Oh no, my smoke detector get the empty. Right there in the corner. This thing there. Fire. And my smoke detector again. There you go. It's so hard to just make a line. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and bye.